How does all the hype about customer experience and digital transformation relate to your B2B manufacturing business? Maybe you operate a few different sales channels, i.e. regional sales offices, distributors, or perhaps even a D2C site. You might even run a separate aftermarket and service business unit and a network of authorized service partners, keeping customers happy across the lifespan of your products. Currently, how easy is it to enter new markets, attract new customers, distributors, and resellers, keep distributors and service partners loyal to your offering? When it comes to sales, how efficiently are you responding to inquiries and quotations? How good are you at getting the right price out of every deal? How easy is it to launch new products across all channels? And from a customer's perspective, how easy is it to do business with you? How often do you meet the customer's expectations regarding ease of ordering, accuracy of availability, and delivery promises? How hassle-free is the long-term maintenance of your products? We'll help you to find answers to these questions, build a roadmap of new capabilities for you to provide better customer experience and sell more, understand how digital tools like e-commerce, CRM, CPQ, IoT, data, and machine learning fit into the picture. Contact us today.